Hi, thank you for joining me today. My name is Rose. The channel is Single Crochet, and we're going to be doing some beginner videos. We've already done on how to do a chain. That's on another video. So we're just going to start directly out with our single crochet. If you've watched any of my other videos, you know I'm all about being prepared. So we're going to physically prepare ourselves to do crochet simply by doing some finger exercises to get our muscles used to the movements. So I just want you to push down on whatever surface you have available. It could be a table, desk, your legs, whatever works. Push just gently and then clench into a fist. Gently push just a little bit, make a fist, and one more time. Push and stretch your fingers as much as you can. Now we're going to mentally prepare as well. So I want you to just close your eyes for a minute. Take a couple deep breaths and exhale slowly. One more time. Deep breath. Exhale slowly. Thank you for doing that with me. Now we can start our single crochet. So we have our chain already made, of course. So I'm just going to, in the last loop of the chain, insert the hook. And this is where we're going to be. You'll see on your hook, on your chain, that is, right below your hook is a hole. It's not in the same one that your yarn is coming out of. It's the next one before it. So we're going to insert our hook in that hole. Yarn over, catch, yarn, pull through one. Yarn over, pull through two. It's our first single crochet. So in the next hole, we're going to insert the hook. Now I like to have two yarns above my hook. That makes it a more stable situation since it is our very first row. So insert crochet hook, yarn over, catch, pull through one, yarn over, pull through two. Insert in the next hole. Once again, I like to have two on top, so you can see where I have two there. So insert, yarn over, catch, pull through one, yarn over, pull through two. Insert in hole, pull, yarn over, catch, pull through one, and yarn over, pull through two. I'm going to repeat accordingly. Insert, yarn over, catch, pull through one, yarn over, pull through two. Insert, yarn over, catch, pull through one, pull through two. Insert, yarn over, catch, yarn over, pull through two. Insert in hole, yarn over, catch, pull through one, yarn over, pull through two. Insert, yarn over, catch, pull through one, yarn over, pull through two. Insert your hook, yarn over, catch, pull through one, pull through two. Just go ahead and repeat that and say that in your head. Insert hook, yarn over, catch, pull through one, yarn over, pull through two. Insert, yarn over, catch, pull through one, pull through two. And insert hook, last one, yarn over, catch, pull through one, and pull through two. Now we've made our single crochet, and here's what it should be looking like. So if you've got it that far, you did very good, and you're ready to move forward. If you'd like to rewind and rewatch this video several times, and you'll get it. I know you will. Well, I look forward to seeing you on my next video, and thank you so much for joining me today. Have a great one. Catch you next time.